Hey everyone, Dominique here and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, this video will be a comparison using ShopMissA products and the other products. So today I will be testing out their Wonder Jelly, and this is how it looks. It's a makeup applicator, the Wonder Jelly, and also their Wonder Blender, and see which one is better than whom. So if you want to figure out, keep watching. Alright, so I already have my brows done. I'm just gonna prime my face like I normally do if I do just to start a face off. I'm gonna do half and half. My brows are already done. I'm gonna do half and half. This side will be the jelly and this side will be the blender, and see which looks flawless, which blends well, and all that good stuff. So I'm going to prime my face with some NYX HD Studio Primer. I'm going to apply that on my face. Alright. Okay, so the foundation I will be using is NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat Liquid Foundation in the color Deep Rich. And see how this blends with the jelly, of course. This is more so focused on the jelly because I haven't tried it yet. But it has their little stamp, AOA Studio. That's with ShopMissA. It don't smell like nothing. You know, it's flexible. They said it's easy with cleanup. Let me read the back. Wonder Jelly. The hygienic and makeup saving gel sponge applies liquid and cream products beautifully. We will see. The unique shape allows you to use on large areas of the face as well as hard to reach corners. Easy to clean. Just use soap and water. Reusable. Alright, and it also tells you how to use it. Put a small amount of foundation on the face. Dab and blend with the Wonder Jelly sponge. Repeat and build coverage as needed. Clean and air dry before your next use. And that's all. This is the packaging comes in as a, you know, a zip back up pouch. All right, let's get to it. I'm a little bit closer. So this half will be the jelly. So I got the primer on my face. All right, take some of that off. Alright, and that's how much I'm going to use, I think. Yeah, alright. So, got the jelly. I'm guessing I'm going to use the side without the print of the AOA. But, I'm going to hold this. I'm going to hold it like this and blend this baby out. Okay. It's like the more I feel like the need to slide it, not to blend. And you know, of course, a sponge does not, well, a sponge that doesn't have, you know, pores, shall I say, blend, soak up product. This is not soaking up anything, as you can see. I'm trying to stay in focus, so I'm going to look down here. Okay, this is weird. I won't lie, it is very weird trying to sit here and blend that out. I'm gonna add some on my nose. Gonna add some on my nose. Okay, and just pat like I normally would with a. Okay, I probably am not blending as well because it is very weird. Get my eyes. I will say, you can get up under your eye and them corners. Look how I look. Not absorbing anything. You can see you know, what side has the foundation, which side doesn't. I must say I do have large pores, oily skin, so that's not nothing new. But however, do you see that? Let me get right there. Compared to no foundation. It ain't soak up nothing, I tell you that much. It's just weird to blend with, so that's just the main thing. It's just very weird. It'd probably be very excellent for face mask. So face mask, of course, probably so good to use with this. Alrighty, I believe I'm done blending as much as I need to. I'm trying to be so perfect. Get close, I can see. Alright, I think I'm done blending it out. I think I blended it out pretty nicely. You know, the coverage is there, I must say. This is how it looks afterwards. Look at my nails. Another way to hold this, I don't know, but so far it's okay. And like, it doesn't absorb. So next I'm going to do the Wonder Blender. And the Wonder Blender I have used in previous videos. What I use is the black one. Just going to damp it up. Damp it. Yeah, just damp it. Hands got a little messy. Okay, now that's damp. Here's the foundation. I do have primer on the other side. Don't be reminded. So, and this is with nothing. So we're gonna do the Wonder Blender. And we all know, of course, I believe all blenders soak up product. Probably not as much. Probably had this how much it does or how much it doesn't. But all right, that's all I'm gonna use on that side. And I'm going ahead and take the damp Wonder Jelly and how I use it how I normally do. And I'm so not right-handed. This sponge, it goes completely bigger than what it is. It's very big when it's damp. You know, when it's wet, it expands so much, and it's, you know, very good. I love it. Soft, gets the job done. And I'm done. I'm done. So I'm not sure if you all can tell the difference. This is with the jelly. Is there any like demarcation line? And this is with sponge. My lighting is good right now, so ain't no way you can tell if there's a difference or not. Let me dim down the light. You can tell a difference. Trust me, with this camera. But right now, I'm not seeing a big difference. Like, oh. Get close up. And yeah, all right. I mean, can y'all tell the difference? And I'm close. The little tip, it gets in the corners and everything. I can't tell the difference. I really can't. That's the honest truth. I mean, of course. Let me see. See? Pores. Almost invisible, I must say. Almost invisible. And I can see them a little bit more right here. This is good. That's good. So either or, honestly. The Wonder Blender and the Wonder Sponge. The Wonder Jelly. Yes. I think we're good. And I'm getting all close up. Comment if you can tell a difference. Wonder Jelly side. Wonder Sponge side. Comment below. But I was not really that much doubting the Wonder Jelly. It doesn't absorb nothing. But the application, how easy it would be, it was pretty okay. It was good, you know. I didn't have to struggle and, you know. Wonder Jelly, we're good. Do another close up. Jelly. Blender. Far away. Close up. Yeah. So, is it approved by me? I think so. Like, I definitely would recommend it, actually. On a scale of 1 through 10, I'd probably give it 8, not a 9 or 10. It's just weird. That's just me. It's just weird. Now, if you can get used to it, I'll probably get used to it along the line. But it's just weird, that's all. Because I feel like you just want to just slide and stand up like you normally do. I give it an 8, 8.5. No sizing, no lying, being straight honest. I give it an 8. The Wonder Blender, I said I give that, I want to say 10. I give it a 9, 10. But because it's so great, it's so soft, and yet firm. It's everything. And remember, $1. Both of them are $1. Okay, let me see how easy it is to clean it. I'll be right back. Okay, I should have timed how long I was gone, because it probably was like 10 seconds, 10.5 seconds. It's clean. Soap and water. Soap, put it in my hand, and on it, run in the water. You know, wash it like you're washing your hands, and dried it. Clean. Clean. Okay. So, ShopMissA, I give both of them a thumbs up. I already gave the blender a thumbs up, probably like 2 videos ago. But good job, and I got 2 of them, so win-win for me. All right, you guys. I hope this video helped you in a way. I hope you guys do go check out ShopMissA, because the jelly and the blender, it works for me. And thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video. P.S. with the Wonder Jelly, if you are an individual who likes full coverage, use the amount of liquid or whatever as you would use just for regular and not full coverage, and see how that does for you, because it's not absorbing anything. So try that out.